Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. Okay, today we are going to discuss about factor and factorization. At first, before we start the factor and factorization, at first, if we multiply 3 into 4, then result is equal to 12. Oh, now if what is the factor of 12? 3 and 4 are the factor of 12 or not? If we multiply 3 and 4, the result is 12. In the similar way, 2 into 3 into 4 is equal to 24. If we multiply 2 into 3 into 4 is equal to 24. And the factor of 24 is also 2 into 3 into 4. In the similar way, in algebra, for example, x into x is equal to x square. And the factor of x square is x into x. Thus, factorization means the process. Factorization is the process. It means, now write down the definition of factor. When two or more than 2, write down it, algebraic expression are multiplied the result is called product, and each expression is called factor of product. It means x, when we multiply two algebraic expression, for example, if we multiply x and the result is x square, and these x and x are called the factor of the algebraic expression x square. Then the process of finding a factor is called the factorization. Factorization means process of finding of factor. For example, I will give you another example. For example, x square minus a square. Suppose this is algebraic expression. If we can find this factor, for example, this is the formula of a square minus b square. The formula of a square minus b square is bracket a plus b bracket a minus b. So x minus a and x plus a. It is the formula like a square minus b square is equal to a plus b a minus b, or x minus a x plus a. These two terms are called factor of this expression, algebraic expression x square minus x a square. But in this topic, in this class, we will discuss about how we find, what are the process of finding of this expression. There are various steps, there are various methods to find this expression. And number one step, write down. Factorization of expression which have common factor. In each term. Number 1. It means if the algebraic expression have one common factor. For example, let us take the example. For example, ax plus bx. Here the expression x and here x. In first term, x is common. In second term, x is common. So at first, we take the common x from this expression. It means is equal to, we take x common. The remaining a plus b. These x and x, we take this common, these x. Okay? In the similar example, ax square y plus bxy square plus czx. In this expression, x here there is 2x, here there is 1x, there is 1x. If we take this 1x as common factor x, then remaining axy plus by square plus cz. These two are the factor of this algebraic expression. भाइ बहिनीहरु, हामीले आज फेरि मैले रिकल गरे सारांशमा फ्याक्टर र फ्याक्टराइजेसन प्रोसेस पढिरहेको छौं हामीले, हो? अब हेर है, जस्तै हामीले 3 * 4 गर्दाखेरि कति हुन्छ? 2 * 3 * 4 गर्दाखेरि कति हुन्छ? 24. अब हेर है, यदि हामीले 12 को फ्याक्टर 3 र 4 हो कि होइन? 3 र 4 लाई मल्टिप्लाई गर्दाखेरि 12 बन्यो कि नै? बन्यो। त्यसैगरी 2 * 3 * 4 = 24. 24 को फ्याक्टर 2 3 4 भयो कि नै? त्यसैगरी अब अल्जेब्रामा हेर्ने हो भने x * x कति हुन्छ? x². त्यसैगरी सपोज 2 * x कति हुने हो? 2x. अब 2 र x चाहिँ 2x को फ्याक्टर भयो कि भएन? हो। यो एक्जाम्पलबाट हामीले फ्याक्टराइजेसन र फ्याक्टर भन्दाखेरि हामीले के बुझ्यौं भने जब हामीले 2 वा 2 भन्दा बढी अल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेसनलाई मल्टिप्लाई गर्यौं भने 2 वा 2 भन्दा बढी अल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेसनलाई के गर्यौं भने मल्टिप्लाई गर्यौं भने हामीले एउटा रिजल्ट प्राप्त गर्छौं। जस्तै x * x मल्टिप्लाई गरेर कति आयो? x². यो यसको रिजल्ट भयो, हो। यो रिजल्ट प्राप्त गर्ने यो x र यो x हरेक टर्मलाई हामी के भन्दो रहेछौं? x² को फ्याक्टर। र यो फ्याक्टर पत्ता लगाउने प्रोसेसलाई हामी के भन्दो रहेछौं? फ्याक्टराइजेसन। के भन्दो रहेछौं? फ्याक्टराइजेसन। अब हामीले फ्याक्टराइजेसन गर्ने विभिन्न प्रोसेस छन्, जसका हामीले फ्याक्टर प्राप्त गर्ने विभिन्न प्रोसेसहरु छन्। नम्बर 1 प्रोसेस भने यदि हामीले 2 वा 2 भन्दा बढी अल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेसनमा अल्जेब्रिक टर्महरुमा यदि सबभन्दा पहिले हामीले कुनै कमन देख्यौं भने, कुनै कमन भेटायौं भने, जस्तै यहाँ हेर त, यो ax plus by मा x दुईटै ठाउँ हामीले कमन देख्यौं कि नै? हो। सबभन्दा फर्स्ट आवर हाम्रो काम भनेको त्यो कमन देखेको एलिमेन्ट टर्मलाई हामी फ्याक्टरलाई के गर्ने? हामीले कमन लिने। जस्तै अर्को एक्जाम्पल, फर एक्जाम्पल जस्तै 2x² plus 6xy। हेर त, यसमा के कमन छ? 2। यसमा पनि 6 लाई 2 ले डिवाइड जान्छ कि नै? जान्छ। 2 यता पनि छ। यता कति x छन्? 2टा। यता कति x छन्? 2टा। If we take 2x as common, 2x लाई कमन लियो भने x यता कति बच्यो त? x। हेर्ने है, x * x x², 2 * x², 2x² प्लस 6 मा 2 कमन लियो। If we take the common 2 as 6, 6 मा 2 कमन लियो भने कति बस्ने हो? यता 3। x चाहिँ यता के आइसक्यो? कमन आइसक्यो। यता के बच्यो त? दिस इज योर आन्सर। यो नै हाम्रो के हो त? फ्याक्टर। भनेको 2x² र 6xy को फ्याक्टर के हो त? एउटा 2x अर्को x plus 9. अब now type 2 factorization of expression. Factorization of expression having difference of two square term. Next type, factorization of the expression having difference of two square term. It means if the two term are square, perfect square, यदि दुईवटा टर्म चाहिँ कस्तो हुनु पर्यो, perfect square, and बीचमा के छ, difference, minus को sign छ भने, then how should we factor? For example, let us take an example of this. For example, x square minus y square. X square is also square term, y square is also square term, right? How should we factorize? Before we start, let's multiply. Let us take another example, x plus y, x minus y. At first, we multiply this x by x minus y. This plus y by x minus y. If we multiply x into x, x square, plus into minus, minus, x into y, x y, plus into plus, plus, y into x, x y, plus into minus, minus, y into y, y. These xy and xy are cancelled. What is the result? X square minus y square. Oh, it is like as the formula of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Oh, we use this formula to factorize this type of the expression, algebraic expression. हामीहरुले यस्तो किसिमको अल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेसनलाई अब सल्भ गर्नलाई हामीले a square minus b square को फर्मुला युज गर्छौं. Let us take another example. For example, 25x square minus 36y square. 25 is perfect square number, right? In the similar way, 36 is also perfect square number. 25 is the square number of 5. X square minus 6 square y square. We know that the rules of indices. If x power m into y power m, then result is x into y को power m. Am I right? We can use this rule. 5x whole square minus 6y को whole square. Now a square minus b square. What is the formula of a square minus b square? A plus b, a minus b. Here, in the value of a, there is 5x. Now, 5x plus 6y. A plus b into 5x minus 6y. Here, a plus b, a minus b. In this way, these are the factor of this algebraic expression 25x square minus 36y square. Summary मा सारांशमा मैले फेरि एकपटक भने हेर त 25 भनेको नि पर्फेक्ट स्क्वायर नम्बर हो, 36 भनेको पनि पर्फेक्ट स्क्वायर नम्बर. अब 25 लाई हामी 5 को स्क्वायर लेख्न मिल्छ, x स्क्वायर माइनस 36 लाई 6 को स्क्वायर. अब हामीले इन्डिसेसमा घाताङ्कमा हेर त यदि पावरमा एउटै छ सेम छ भने बेस के हुँदो रहेछ, मल्टिप्लाई. अब हेर त ए रुललाई युज गर्दाखेरि यसलाई 5x को होल स्क्वायर माइनस 6y को होल स्क्वायर लेख्न मिल्यो. ठीक छ. अब यसलाई अघि हाम्रो फर्मुलामा a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर हुँदाखेरि a प्लस b a माइनस b छ हो, तर अहिले a को ठाउँमा कति छ 5x, b को ठाउँमा कति छ 6. हेर त a प्लस b, a को ठाउँमा कति हुने हो 5x, b को ठाउँमा 6. अब नेक्स्ट 5x minus 6y. A minus B. हामीले फर्मुलालाई युज गर्यो कि नै हो? Okay. Do you have any question? Okay. Okay, I will invite Asmit to solve this question. Please, Asmit. Asmit. Okay. I'll give another question. 4b square minus c square. Please solve. Okay. Is this correct or wrong? Correct. Correct?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, clap for Asmit. Okay, this is Asmit. Thank you, class.
Thank you.